All right, we're underneath the 99996 C2 Coupe. You can see the nose is not scuffed up, scarred up, scratched up, damaged. Belly pan, of course, most of them are in good shape. This one is too. I'll turn around outside of so the light's on the back side so you can see it. Walking on back to the engine, this car has had the IMS bearing done. The rear main seal seems to be dry. Not leaking. Nice cosmoline up in the upper regions. Everything clean. There's that belly pan with the light to our back. All the tires are deep in tread, wearing evenly. This car has never been in trouble. It's an original paint car. Everything dry. No scars or scratches on the back end. Got a little bit of residue here, but it looks like it's coming from the, it's old. First of all, it's old. There's no fresh drips. It just hasn't been cleaned for whenever it did leak. But it's all dry at this point. I'm going to lower it and show you the upper side. Right here we are at eye level on the 996. This is an original paint car. It has a clear bra across the fenders and the hood. I'll probably be redundant on many things on this car, mainly how crisp and clear and straight this car is. Again, original paint. Not scuffed up, no door dings. I always like to see this when you see brake calipers like this without them, where they haven't lost the decals or the clear coating and they've got that nice finish to it. Usually an indication the car's had a pretty good life, at least not running the Chicago winters. You can see it's clean everywhere. I've got one wheel that's got some scuffing, the left rear, but I can clean that up and will clean that up. I have a wheelman that comes by and he'll make it look new. See how straight those doors are? I'm going to have to walk around again to show you the back side. All the lenses are clean. Again, tires are in good shape. See how fresh, crisp. Corners aren't scarred up on the bumpers. No damage on the back bumper. Again, you can see how straight the car is. I've photographed meter readings. Those are in the picture presentation, and you can see that it is an original paint car. All right, we're going to lower it. I'll show you the upside and then the interior of the car. All right, we're on the top side of the 99996, a lot of nines. 99996, original paint car, supported by the meter readings posted on the text. The car's obviously never been in an accident if it's original paint. Nose is clean on the car. It has a clear bra from, here's the line across here, here's the line down to here, protectant. So it's clean on the nose. Headlights are clear and clean and crisp. Front bumper is clear. All the wheels are in good shape except for the left rear, which has a little bit of scarring from, it looks more like from a tire mounting than anything. But I will have my wheelman come and clean that up. Clean car. I think this may be one of the best 996s I've seen. They have a tendency to show wear on the inside, and different components show the patina of age. This car does not. Look how nice those taillight lenses are. The back bumper's not scarred up. Car doesn't have door dings on it. Glass is in good shape. Wheels are in good shape. Tires are all fresh. I'm going to go ahead and pull it outside so I can show you just how nice the interior is on this car. Sunroof car, not a whole lot of options. Good Carfax. Good services, IMS bearing replaced. Let me show you that sticker real quick. Large part of its life it lived in Houston and was serviced by Momentum Porsche. Here's the IMS bearing sticker. Well, you can see that interior. I won't have to pull it outside. You can see how crisp and sharp that is. Here's the bolster. Doesn't show wear, just a little bit. But they have a tendency to get scarred up here on the door handles. Well, this one's not. The center console doesn't show wear. I'll walk to the other side. Look how crisp that is. Upgraded radio, CD with Bluetooth. 63,500 miles. Porsche floor mats. Non-smoker. Cigarette lighter's never been used. See how crisp and fresh that door panel is. The entry panels are in good shape, not scarred up. The seal is in nice shape. These aren't dirty and nasty. By the way, I've never even had this car clean. This is just the way I bought the car. So really, it's had some good ownership. Again, this area normally shows wear. It does not. Well, we'll go for a little drive. Car drives well too. Clutch feels good. Car doesn't smoke, doesn't sound funny. Clear bra on these mirrors also. PCA member. All right, we'll go for a drive. Very lovable 996. It's been well cared for. It's been garage kept. Everything about it performs and acts properly. No shaking or shimmy in the suspension. All the synchros feel good. Clutch feels good. The normal things that show wear on the interior on this car is not. They're not scuffed. They're not scratched. The fingers don't have fingernail scratches. The car drives really well. Sounds well. The air conditioning is cold. It's a hot day out, and we're driving down the road as comfortable as can be. The car's never been in an accident. It's original paint. Cigarette lighter has never been used. Nice, fun, aggressive 996. Once in a while, or every day, we buy and sell cars, and every once in a while you get one that just absolutely does what it's